Last time on Game of Thrones.
I call upon you to seize him and help me return him to Winterfell to await the king's justice.
What the fuck? What?
What's up, YouTube? Mr. Williams back with another Game of Thrones video. Episode 5, Season 1. Okay. Now, let me go ahead and make this clear to y'all. A lot of y'all been saying, Mr. Williams, you need to put the subtitles in there because you missing a lot of stuff, and you're gonna have to put the subtitles in there because you need to pay attention, and there's so much to learn, and there's so many characters, so put the subtitles in there, and you need to really pay attention. Okay, I hear all y'all, but listen to me. Okay, I can put the subtitles in there, but then I have to put my glasses on. Alright? I don't have a problem with that, but let me try to explain how I react. Okay? I watch it a second time after I do the real reaction. Okay? I go back and watch it a second time. Okay? You follow me? So the first reaction is the real reaction, but when the camera's off, I watch it a second time to get the details that I miss. That's how I do on The Walking Dead also. I watch it the first time, then the second time go back and get all the little details that I missed. Okay? Got that clear? But anyway, I had to pull out the notebook because there is a lot of damn characters. Okay? And a lot of y'all been saying they want my input on how the show's going and what I think. I'm loving the motherfucking show. I'm confused as a motherfucker, but I love the motherfucking show. I'm confused as hell. I'm going to admit that. There's a lot of damn characters. And there's a lot of crazy ass shit going on that I can't even fucking comprehend. I'm not into medieval shit, but god damn. The shit they doing on this motherfucker. Anyway, I made a list of people that I learned so far, and I gave them little nicknames so I can remember. Okay, and the ones I like, the ones I don't like. Okay, first off, Jon Snow, aka the Bastard. Okay, I like Jon Snow. Okay. So he's the bastard of Ned Stark, right? And he's Ned's son. Okay, so I like Jon Snow. Sam the Coward, aka Big Pussy. Everybody knows he's a big pussy, right? Seemed like him and Jon became best friends. I guess Jon sees something in Sam that nobody else sees. And I think her name's Dany, the baby doll, the beautiful baby doll. Is her name? I think her name's Dany. Y'all correct me. I don't know. But look, this motherfucking white woman is fine as a motherfucker. I'm tell you, my homeboys in the hood, they be like, "Who the fuck is that, Mr. Williams? What you doing with that white lady?" This motherfucker is gorgeous. King Robert, aka Greedy Fat Bastard. The twins, Jaime and Cersei's, the Queen Cersei's. Cersei's the queen. Alright, the sick motherfuckers that's incest, sick, twisted, fucking crazy, psychotic motherfuckers. Arya, the tomboy, Ned Stark's daughter, the tomboy. I think her name is Arya or Ara. I'm not pronouncing this shit right. I'm gonna get it though. So her name is Ara. Okay. And let's see, Aquaman, Khal Drogo, Aquaman. And let's see, who else? Okay, my favorite one on the show so far is Little Big Man, Tyrion, little AKA Little Big Man. He's my favorite so far, and Jon Snow and Ned Stark, but Tyrion is my favorite one so far, AKA Little Big Man. Why in the fuck did Jon Stark, Lady Stark, I think they call her Catherine or Kathleen? Why the fuck did she have Little Big Man arrested? He didn't do that shit. What the fuck is wrong with her? What me? And then they got like 10, 20 fucking people with swords around Little Big Man. Like, what the fuck he gonna do? What is he gonna do? Bite their fucking leg? What the fuck? Everybody got a sword on this motherfucker. What is he supposed to do? Little as he is. I mean, I know he's smart, but goddamn. All those swords for Little Big Man? Little Terry? And Littlefinger, I don't know what the fuck they call him Littlefinger for. I know he talk a lot. He look like a fucking slime ball. A fucking creep where he was talking to that Jon Stark's daughter. I don't trust Littlefinger. I don't know anything about him. But so far, I don't trust him. Who else? I think that's it. That's it. Let's get to this episode. I'm learning this shit. I'm gonna get there. Mr. Williams, Game of Thrones, episode 5, season 1. Let's get to this shit. I know y'all gonna climb me in the comment section, but I don't give a fuck. I'm still learning. Let's roll this shit.
You had no one else.
Fucked him up.
Never worn this armor before. Bad luck for him, going against the mountain. Who determines the draw? All the knights draw straws, Lord Stark. Aye. But who holds the straws? I hear the king wants to joust today. Yeah, that'll never happen.
Joust. That's what this shit called.
If the king
Joust.
wanted all the time, he'd still be fighting a damned rebellion. You're too fat for your armor.
Fat? Fat, is it? Is that how you speak to your king?
Hey, Robert would be cool if he wasn't an asshole.
God. Too fat for my armor.
You're Squire. A Lannister boy.
All you do is sleep with women and
Idiot.
eat and drink.
Cersei insisted. John Arryn.
Well, sleep with whores.
Cersei Lannister will make a good match.
Oh.
An inspiring sight for the people, eh? Come, bow before your king. Bow, you shits.
If he wasn't an asshole, I love Robert, man. God damn.
Thank you, Sir Loras.
Is that a woman or a man? You can't tell who's a woman or a man on this motherfucking show. Oh!
Such a shame, Littlefinger. It would have been so nice for you to have a friend.
You lost, motherfucker. Pretty boy won. Holy shit! Damn, Dwight's big brother saved him. If Tyrion die, I'm stop watching the show. He better not die. I like him. He better not fucking die.
Would you be so good as to untie me?
Why would I do that?
Tyrion. Is his name Tyrion or Tyrion?
The hill tribes.
Come on, little big man. Y'all better not hurt him.
Did y'all see little big man? Did y'all see little big man? Blah, blah, blah.
Sometimes I worry you're too smart for your own good.
I'll never shoot another arrow.
And where is that written?
The cat, like, leave me the fuck alone.
You'll never walk again.
I see what y'all be doing around this motherfucker. Y'all be cutting heads off and throwing people off buildings.
A blessing.
What's that? What the fuck is that? Is that a fucking dinosaur?
Found one bastard already.
Khal Drogo.
This is no longer.
Sound like Count Dracula. That's Aquaman, right?
Trust me,
Why do they call him Littlefinger?
we accommodate all inclinations.
Oh, I'm sure. Lord Redwyn likes his boys very young.
Does he got like a little
Purveyor of beauty and discretion.
finger?
Both equally important.
Though I suppose.
What are you two conspiring about? Well,
Look how close they are. Both of them watching each other, trying to have one up on each other. I saw you, I saw you, I saw you. Well, I saw you, I saw you.
Hadn't you heard?
They gay as hell.
Friends.
My father is Hand the King. I'm not a boy, I'm Arya Stark of Winterfell. And if you lay a hand on me, my father will have both your heads on spikes. Now, are you going to let me by, or do I need to smack you on the ear to help with your hearing?
Back up, bitch!
You know I had half my guard out, sir.
Yes, my lady. Will at that.
Y'all better not fuck with little big man. He ain't do that shit.
They say it's impregnable. Give me 10 good men and some climbing spikes. I'll impregnate the bitch.
I want them dead. Mother and child both. And that fool Viserys as well. Is that plain enough for you? I want them both dead.
Is he talking about Aquaman
Honor? I've got 7 kingdoms to rule.
and Baby Doll?
King, 7 kingdoms. Do you think honor keeps them in line?
to run on water.
Do nothing. That's your wise advice.
Why Robert didn't talk to Ned one-on-one by himself? Why he got all these assholes around him like that? All these assholes all in his head.
I understand your.
Shut the fuck up.
My lord.
Oh!
And good luck to him. I thought you were a better man.
Out, damn you, I've done with you. Go run back to Winterfell. I'll have your...
John knew it.
Is that a full-grown boy?
The seed is strong. He wanted everyone to know what a good, strong boy his son would grow up to be. Look at him.
That's not a dwarf, is it? That's a little boy.
Lysa.
Is this full-grown boy
Is that the
sucking on his mama's titty?
It is.
Amy, we'll see that they do.
You can't hurt us! No one can hurt us! You tell everybody! Tell him!
Shut the fuck up, you little bitch. Holy shit. A dungeon with no fucking wall.
Lord Stark's lucky he still has a head.
2 grown-ass men shaving each other.
Everywhere. So, how did it end up? The Targaryen girl will die?
Skip this
Easily
shit.
done.
Y'all are 2 whores.
How long can hate hold a thing together?
Well, 17 years is quite a long time.
I don't know which one of y'all is sicker.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
I'm gonna go with the Queen Cersei's. I'm gonna say she's a sick fuck. She got Robert beat.
What was she?
Looks healthy enough to me.
Damn. They just going around getting everybody pregnant.
You wouldn't know what happened to him, would you?
He was taken at my command to answer for his crimes.
My lord,
All right, it's going down.
the city watch.
It's going down. Come on, Ned.